Today I'm going to teach you how to increase or decrease section height in Elementor. This is a fundamental skill that gives you precise control over your page layout, allowing you to create more visually balanced and professional-looking designs. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and then click on All Pages. Here you'll see a list of all your existing pages. Find the specific page where you want to adjust the section height and click Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor Editor interface where you can make all your design changes. Now that you're in the Elementor Editor, you need to select the section you want to modify. To do this, right-click the handle icon, which looks like 6 small dots on the left edge of the section. Alternatively, you can simply click the section once to select it. Either method works perfectly fine, so use whichever feels more natural to you. You'll know the section is selected when you see a blue outline around it. With your section now selected, turn your attention to the left panel of the Elementor Editor. Here you'll find various tabs that control different aspects of your section. Click on the Layout tab to access the height settings. This is where all the magic happens for adjusting your section dimensions. Inside the Layout tab, scroll down until you locate the Height drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the options presented, select Min Height. This setting allows you to define a minimum height for your section, ensuring it maintains at least that size regardless of its content. It's particularly useful for creating consistent spacing across your page or achieving specific design aesthetics. Once you've selected Min Height, a new field will appear just below the dropdown. This is the Min Height field where you'll input your desired measurements. Adjust the height based on your preferences by either typing in a specific value or using the slider if available. You can experiment with different values to see what looks best for your design. Take your time here to get it just right. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, it's time to save your work. At the upper right corner of the page, you'll see 2 options. Click Publish if you want your changes to go live immediately, or click Save Draft beside the Publish button if you'd like to review your changes later before making them public. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to control section heights in Elementor, giving you greater flexibility in creating custom page layouts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.